As you can see, the front timing chain cover is removed. We have the timing chain exposed. Now we're gonna remove the tensioner. We're gonna remove the chain guides, and after we're gonna remove the chain itself. And after we're gonna remove the chain, we're gonna loosen this bolt and this bolt, and we're gonna remove both sprockets from the intake camshafts. Remove the tensioner, we remove the chain guides, and now we can pull out the chain itself. And as you can see, this is our timing chain. And this is what you need to remove to take it out: the chain tensioner, the guide, and the upper guide. Now we're gonna use the 17mm socket. We're gonna use a key like this to hold the camshafts one by one. The exhaust, intake, exhaust. We're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. We're gonna loosen the tensioner here. We're gonna loosen the tensioner here. The tensioner is loosened. The chain is free. So now we can pull this like an assembly slowly out. As you can see, it's coming out. This is the last sprocket. And now they are all removed. This is how they look. The camshaft bridges. We're gonna take out the front, the rear timing cover, and after we're gonna remove the camshafts on both sides. I just removed all the bolts from the rear timing cover. You'll need to loosen this bracket that is holding the AC. Make sure all the bolts are removed. After you'll need to force it because it has some gasket. And after you will be able to remove it. And you can remove it together with the water pump. No need to remove it. And this is how it looks behind. The rear timing cover is removed. So now we can remove both camshafts and after take out the cylinder heads, both of them. The weather is great today. I like it. Feels like summer. This is a 10mm hex bead socket we're gonna use to remove the head bolts, but before removing them, make sure you remove all the oil from the bolt head, because if the socket is not gonna go all the way in, you're gonna damage the head, and after it's gonna be a pain in the ass to remove them. And also, on this bolt you will need to remove the camshaft position sensor, and after you will be able to loosen and remove the bolt. This is one of our gaskets. And now we can remove the second cylinder head. On the top looks red. The rest are all the same. Just the number 2 looks red. And this is the gasket.